Would you like to see the JLP stay in power? Would you like to see the People's National Party stay in power? Or would you like to see the JPP, aka the God Squad, in power? Just like on YouTube, figure your brain some new food. Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. So, Jamaica's general election 2020 is 16 days away, and I thought to myself, considering that it's only 16 days away, why not put some heat under the heels of these political parties in Jamaica? So in other words, we're going to take advantage of these 16 days and let the government or the opposition in Jamaica realize or become aware that, become aware. Come on now. Okay, it's early morning for me. Bear with me. So we're going to take advantage of these 16 days by using social media, in particularly my social media YouTube channel, to let the Jamaican parties realize that people are watching, people near or far. So whether you are Jamaican or not Jamaican, if you're abreast with the politics in Jamaica or you're familiar with the parties in Jamaica, this is a poll that you can also play a part in. You know, you can say, who would you like to see? Would you like to see the JLP stay in power? Would you like to see the People's National Party stay in power? Or would you like to see the JPP, aka the God Squad, in power? But before I get into all of that, let me say this video is the video where I resume my big up segment, because one of my subscribers expressed to me that she missed my big up segment. So in this video, at some point, I'm gonna pause to big up a few of my subscribers. Anyway, let's get into it now. So this video is really just a poll video to see how many people are interested in Jamaican politics and who my viewers and subscribers would like to see run Jamaica. To some people, the JLP have been doing a brilliant job, and to other people, they would like to see the People's National Party be in power. And surprisingly, some people would like to see the new and fourth party of Jamaica, the JPP, in power. Unfortunately, I've had news that the JPP has backed out of the 2020 general election. And immediately, as soon as I heard that they backed out, I was just like, you know, because I already done a video where I was criticizing the JPP because of their proposition to the Jamaican people and what they would like to do as a party for the Jamaican people. Or let me say, what was published as to what they want to do as a party. And now that they backed out, that just gives me more of a critic power to say, don't start anything that you can't finish. I mean, you guys should have already done your framework, done your homework from behind before you go and register as a party to compete against the JLP and the PNP. A lot of people who believed in the JPP or thought it was a good idea for pastors to become politicians, I am sure that you have lost half of your fan base just by backing out of the first election where you were qualified to be a running candidate. So in my opinion, the JPP has made themselves look bad from the gate. Well, they're not even at the gate now. So this added to the poll. I want to hear what you guys thought about the JPP. Would you have voted for them if they were in the race for Jamaica House this year? Would you have voted for them? Because this poll will also help them to realize that they stood a chance or they didn't stand a chance. But backing out completely at the last minute, I just thought, well, that was a bad move. So what I'm saying is, because they already did a little bit of advertisement and some people are aware of their existence, whether they know they would win or not, they should have just raced. They should have campaigned. They should have seen what kind of feedback they would have in the actual race. You never know. Stranger things has happened. Jamaican people probably so fed up with the JLP and the PNP that the JPP probably would have just win. Who knows? Anyway, I'm not going to say who I would like to see win and who I would like to see lose. The reason why I'm taking that stand is because obviously I'm controlling the poll. The poll is on my channel. They call YouTubers influencers, and to some extent our opinion influence other people's decisions. So in this one, I'm going to stay out of it. I'm not going to say I'm for the JPP. I'm not going to say I'm for the JLP, and I'm not going to say I'm for the PNP. So I'm really going to leave it up to you guys to say who would you vote for. And if you want to make it look more interesting or creating a buzz below the video, like, you know, where people will challenge your comment, elaborate. Say why you would want to vote for the JLP or why you would want to vote for the PNP. You know, once you elaborate, you know, people become a bit more interested in what you're saying, and, you know, we get some socializing going on, you know. And while I'm saying socializing going on, thumbs up to my viewers and subscribers. I must say, over the time I've been on YouTube, somehow I've eliminated the people who can't hold a good debate without throwing profanity in it, you know. So I am proud of my viewers and subscribers to say, for a channel who discuss politics, I've got some of the most civil subscribers, you know. No profanity, no disrespect, just disagreement and opposing, and I like that. This is what this channel is all about. Each one teach one. Anyway, like I say, I'm not going to be talking anything about the JLP or the PNP in regards to my preference, but I'm not just going to leave it like that. I'm going to discuss the dubpllates. Politicians in Jamaica have moved to dubplate. Some Jamaicans have embraced it and some Jamaicans have scorned it. My personal take on it was it's a good look. It's unique because Jamaica is known for its music, and Jamaica is known for its clashes. Jamaica is known for its lyrical clashes and its dancehall clashes, and all Jamaicans of all class enjoys some musical clashes, some musical competition. So when the politician moves to dubplates, I thought, okay, this add some fun to, you know, to the general election, because we all know back in the day it was all about shooting and hurting people just because they vote for this party or vote for that party. So now to see music incorporated in politics, or politicians incorporating music in politics, I think it's a good look. The only thing that concerns me, it was like, are Jamaicans moving forward, or are they still ignorant to the point where let's say Stylo G did a song for Peter Bunting? So are they going to apply Stylo G to the People's National Party? Or I believe it's Shensia that did a song for Lisa Anna. I'm not 100% sure. What I'm saying is, are we at the evolution point where we just see it as business and not associate the artist with the party? So for the party, it's all good, but at the same time, for the artist, knowing some level of ignorance that lies in the country of Jamaica, it concerns me about the artist. But pretty much that's all. But all that aside, I think it's a good thing. You know, I thought it was even first I was on the fence when I saw Andrew Olness wearing Clark's booty into the House of Parliament, and then after pondering over it a minute, I thought, okay, you know what I mean, he's about to announce the election day. He's adding a little bit of fun to it. Because people, listen, politics is a never-ending topic. Recently, I commented on the US politics, and one of my subscribers asked me, do you understand US politics? And my answer was yes. But then after I thought about it, I was like, who understands politics, really? Who? Nobody truly understands politics. We have a little grasp on it, but politics, that's why it's called politics. It's intricacy, it's whining, and, you know, half the people that's in parliament don't even understand politics. They have a concept to it, but when I say they don't understand politics, I'm saying politics is designed that no one truly has the answer, or no one truly knows the answer. If it wasn't that way, then there would be an end point to politics. Problems would finalized, it would be solved, and it would no longer be an issue. So what I'm trying to say is, life and livelihood is serious, and we want politicians to take care of people's needs. But at the same time, you know, let's say Peter Phillips and Andrew Olness, you know, there's going to come a time when they're no longer in existence. And all their efforts and all their doings, there's going to come a time when none of it matters. Chances are their legacy might be left behind, and chances are their legacies could be overwritten. So at the moment, we're making efforts, and that's all we can do in our life, whether we're talking about our personal life or social life or political life. We can only make efforts. So we can only live for today and make plans for tomorrow. But this whole thing is bigger than us. While I'm talking about Clark's booty, let me add this into it. Big up Sterling, a Jamaican-born UK footballer who landed a deal with the UK Clarks. Sterling and the UK Clarks came to an agreement where they will contribute, where they will issue a pair of Wallaby Clarks to every student of the Marvelly Primary School, because that's a school that Sterling attended. And that just gave me a good feeling. You know, I like how that is. I like the vibe about that whole thing. Anyway, without dragging this one on too long, let me big up some people.
Big up yourself to the maximum.
First and foremost, I must big up Joy. Joy, big up yourself, because you are the one that requested that I resume the big up segment. So Joy, I appreciate your love for the big up segment, and for that reason I make you my #1 big up person. Secondly, I want to big up Faith M. Faith M, you know how much I love you and respect you. I love Faith M because she doesn't always agree with what I'm saying. She often challenges my opinion, and I like that. And she often teach me something or show me a different point of view, and I like that. Thirdly, I want to big up Malachi J. Malachi J, big up yourself. I really appreciate your watching, your subscription, and I really appreciate you complimenting me and encouraging me to keep doing what I do and keep things fairly balanced. Next, I want to big up the Eltlight. The Eltlight is a long-standing subscriber of mine who always show face whenever time I put up a post or a video. Next person I want to big up is Maya Freeton. Maya Freeton, big up yourself. Another long-standing subscriber of mine that I want to big up is D. Diane. D. Diane, you've always shown face whenever time I put up a video, so big up yourself. And last but not least, I want to big up another long-standing subscriber, Seal Mad Flavor. Seal Mad Flavor, big up yourself.
Big up yourself to the maximum. Big up yourself to the maximum.
And that's pretty much it for today, people. You know, the general election is around the corner, and like I say, everybody, including the politicians, are scouring online to see what people think or what are their chances, you know. So you guys let them know what are their chances, how you feel about them, especially the JPP. Let them know how you feel about them. Would they have stand a chance? Would they have not stand a chance? What they should have done months ago, the JPP, they probably should have just did a survey, an independent survey across the island to see how many people will go for them and how many people wouldn't go for them. But yeah, well, that's that, you know. Maybe they could employ me as, I don't know, a strategic person, or what would you title me? Yeah, they could employ me as a strategic advisor. I'm good with political strategy. I'm good with business strategy, period. Anyway, people, like I said, don't want to drag this one on. You know, on this channel, I appreciate thumbs up and thumbs down, agreement and disagreement, because at the end of the day, people, each one teach one. You've reached the end of my video, and that in itself is a support that I truly appreciate. And while I'm at it, I will take this time out to let you guys know other ways that you can support my channel. The first and simplest way that you can support my channel is by giving this video a thumbs up. And the second and most important way that you can support this channel is by hitting that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and follow me through my YouTube journey. Other ways ways that you can support my channel is by going to my Teespring online store and buying some of my merch. And another way that you guys can also support this channel is by joining me in Patreon to give me a contribution to support what I do on YouTube and what I do to entertain you guys. Once again, I want to thank you guys for your continuous support and ask that you join me, Ian T. Sebast, on YouTube and see where my journey takes me. Until next time, people. Peace.